Loading green stickers or partial book of yellow stickers and calibrating printer. Start by pressing the yellow buttons and opening the printer lid. Remove the current stickers from the printer and place them to the side. Next, grab the new set of stickers that you would like to print. Remember to make sure the State of Vermont hologram is to the right. Place the new set of stickers behind the printer. Feed sticker stock through so it is past the front of the printer. Move the yellow guides to hold the sticker stock in place without bending the edges. Close the printer lid. Press and hold the cancel and pause button at the same time until the stickers start to feed, and then release both buttons. Once stickers stop feeding, open the printer lid. Realign the sticker stock with the front of the printer. Close the printer lid. Press the pause button once, tear off the one sticker that feeds out and void it in the tablet.